Alright, hello everyone, it's Team Rocket Jaws here with another Pokemon card opening. And for this video, guys, we're gonna be opening the Premier Pokeball tin. So the actual like wrapping, it's off center, guys. It's not properly put on, so it just throws off the whole Pokeball. I wish they would do a better job on that, just because yeah, the display actually does it, you know what I mean? But yeah, so if you guys don't know what this is basically a Pokeball tin version of a regular tin, although you only get three packs and a coin. And I think on the regular Pokeball, tins, you only get the 4 packs. You don't get a coin or anything like that. And I'm actually gonna need my X-Acto knife. And yeah, so I've also opened for these, I don't want to scratch you guys. I've opened the Dusk Ball. I have another one that I need to open, and then I also open the Pokeball, the regular Pokeball. I've opened the Great Ball and the Ultra Ball. So if you guys want to check those out, I have a link in the description for all my Pokemon card openings. And yeah, I recommend it, guys. It's actually pretty cool seeing all the ones that I've opened. I've been doing twice a week, and I'm planning on doing 3 times a week. Oh, sorry if I moved the screen right there. But yeah, guys, so this is the tin. It's actually pretty cool. I'm not a big fan of red, but it's actually a cool Pokeball to have, and I have it upside down. Yeah, because it's really plain. It's just white and then the red middle with the red ring. So other than that, it's just a regular Pokeball. So let's, I guess, no, I have it right. Yeah, so this is the 3 packs that we get. So we have an Evolutions. I think we get an Evolutions on all of them. We have a Crimson Invasion and a Burning Shadows. I think we get the same ones on all of them. And for the coin, we have a Raichu as well. So I think you get the same coin for all the tins. Alright, so let me put it back together. But yeah, guys, these are really cool for display. Just having them like as a display, it's actually pretty cool. That's the whole reason I bought them. And yeah, so we're gonna start off with, I gotta say, Crimson Invasion, and then we'll leave Evolutions for last. And hopefully we get some good pulls. The last one that I opened was the Dusk Ball, and I actually got some really good pulls on that, so I recommend to go check it out. And oh no, I think I already saw the rare. No, I didn't, because it's in the middle. But here's the code card. Bam. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, I believe. So I think all these have energy. And yeah, the bad thing about these is that it doesn't have good packaging, guys. That's the only bad thing about it. I wish they would have made them a little bit bigger. It would have made it a little bit better for the cards. So we got a Dark Energy, a Gastrodon, which is an uncommon. I've never seen this card. A Peking Red card, Piloswine, Jangmo-O, Staryu, Aaron, Remoraid, a Alolan Geodude. It's a really cool card right there. Our reverse is Jigglypuff, which is a common. And for our final card and a rare of the pack, a regular rare Camerupt. So I don't think I have that one, so that's pretty cool right there. And then for our, I don't know, I kind of like the Camerupt. For our favorite art of the pack, let me see. Let me go back a little bit. This one's really odd. It just throws you off completely because you feel like this guy is like just like shaped weird, but I think it's more because he's closer to you, so that's why he's a little bit bigger, and he's looking down at the male Gastrodon. So it's a little odd, that card right there. I gotta say, this one, the colors are just unappealing. Like they used the wrong colors. They should have used like a more like lighter blue, but it's just unappealing right there. I gotta say, I'm gonna go with the Alolan Geodude. We'll go with that one, guys. Either that one or the Camerupt. I really like the Camerupt, but we're gonna go with the Alolan Geodude. And now for this one, so you as well, guys, get your favorite card of the pack, and then every time we open one, we'll pick another one. And then at the end of the video, we'll pick an overall, like what's your favorite one out of all of them. Oh, this one opened oddly. Alright, so I don't want to damage the cards. We got a dabbing Duskull at the beginning. So here's the card. Bam. And then this one's gonna be 4 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I've never. Ooh, there we go. So we're gonna have a Steel Energy, Whirlipede, Wobbuffet, Electric. We got the dabbing Duskull, Morlo.
That's really nice. Thanks.
I don't know what that was about, guys. Caterpie, Meryl. We got a Rhyhorn. Our reverse is a Tangela, which is a common. And for our last card of the pack and a rare, we have a regular rare Heracross, which is gonna be right away my favorite art of the pack, just because it looks really cool. I don't think I've seen that card before, so that's a plus right there. That means I most likely don't have it. All right, so now for our final card and in our evolutions pack, I do have like 5 of these that I need to open in another video. Evolutions, one of my favorite ones. I really want to pull that Holo Charizard. I only have it in reverse holo, so we're going for that Holo Charizard. Here's the code card. So evolution is only 3, I believe. Come on, we're going for the Holo Charizard, guys. Alright, so we're gonna start off with the Trainer Revive. We got a Nidorino, the Evolution Spray, Staryu. So all of these I already have, at least most of them. I think the only ones I'm going for, and I'm not trying to really complete the set, although I kinda am, but I'm just going for like the ultra rares. We don't Voltorb. Our reverse is a Raichu. Look at this, another reverse rare. Nice, that's really cool. And then for our final card of the pack and a rare, we got a regular rare Arcanine. I almost thought it was gonna be the Charizard, guys, just because of the red. But not bad. We got 2 rares in 1 pack. And then for my favorite art of the pack, I gotta say it's gonna be the Arcanine, just because I remember that card. It was just amazing. Imagine if they made that into a holo, it would have been crazy. But yeah, I think that's gonna be my favorite art of the pack. So then for the final favorite of the pack, or the 10, I mean, art wise, I gotta say it goes to the Heracross, because it seems like there's, okay, so I'm noticing something. It seems like there's somebody in the back right there. Who is that? That's Team Skull as well, right? So why is she turning around? You guys can see her. She's like turning around. I don't know if that's the best pose for someone in Pokemon, but yeah, that's actually a really cool card. Does she have like a spray can, or what is that in her hand? It seems like she has like a bucket. Huh? What's in her other hand? I don't know what's in her hands. If I get closer and focus, you guys might be able to make out what it is. I don't know what that is, guys, but yeah, I really like the Heracross. I think it's more because of the background, and just it has the Heracross pose, because in a lot of the cards that Heracross is in, he has like almost the same pose where he's like jumping at you, right? So that's actually really cool. Yeah, so I gotta say that's my favorite one. So let me know in the comment section, guys, which one is your favorite. And yeah, so I think that's gonna be it for this episode, or not this episode, for this video. Don't forget to leave a like, guys, and subscribe for more videos, and I guess I'll just catch you guys on the next one. Team Rocket Draws out.